Hey guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope that you are doing really well. So today I wanted to talk to you guys about some different holiday gift sets and narrow it down to my favorites. I have all kinds of things to share with you guys, whether you are looking for more of a drugstore or affordable option for under $10 or something a little bit more expensive that's still a really good deal in terms of value. And I have some fun practical options as well as products that, you might not buy for yourself every day. So I'm excited to jump into it and share them with you. I'm also excited because today's video is my second holiday giveaway, and I chose a bunch of fun holiday kits to give away to one of you guys. I really wanted to spoil someone with a bunch of different options, so you can totally keep all of the products for yourself and try them all out, or you can share the love with friends and family. It is totally up to you, but I will be giving away all of the kits in the clip to one of you guys. So I have some things from Buxom, Urban Decay, Becca, e.l.f, also my favorite Fenty Gloss Bomb set, something from Smashbox, and then maybe a few others as well. Oh, I did include a few Rare Beauty kits. So I haven't tried anything from Rare Beauty, but I know a lot of people have been curious about the brand, so I wanted to include those as well. Just to say thank you to you guys for all of your support in 2020. I appreciate you so much. I have a couple of other holiday gift giveaways coming very soon, so stay tuned for those. But if you guys are interested in entering to win these holiday kits, just check the description box below, and it's very, very easy to enter. But let's jump into it and I'll share some of my favorites with you guys. Let's start with one of my favorite kits this year. This is the Fenty Glossy Posse Holidays Edition. So this is the one that I'm giving away, but I did purchase it for myself as well. So I'll swatch my personal lip glosses. Just know I'm not swatching the giveaway prize. I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like in the packaging. So you do get 4 mini gloss bombs, which is really nice because you do get a range of shades. Rather than buying 1 or 2 full-size glosses, I always like getting minis because you get a bunch of different options, and I'm not someone who ever uses up an entire lip gloss or an entire lipstick. So this makes more sense for my collection. It's a good deal in terms of value because it is $36, but it's actually $48 in value. And I love this formula. It is so glossy and smooth and shiny, so comfortable to wear. And if you guys have been wanting to try it out, this is a good way to try the formula, but also get a couple of different options to use, whether you're looking for something a little bit lighter or a little bit brighter. Now, overall, the formula is very sheer, so it's not super intense on the lips. So you can wear it on its own, but also on top of lipstick as well. And this is one of my favorite kits. I was so glad to see they did another one this year because I loved last year's version so much. Another brand that does really good lip gloss kits for the holiday season is Buxom. They also make one of my favorite lip gloss formulas, and they do have a couple of different kits that are available this year. So if you don't need this much product, you might be interested in one of their other options. I'll link a couple of different ones in the description box below if you guys want to see, but I thought that this was such a great deal in terms of value. So this is the Buxom Ultimate Lip Party, and it actually comes with 6 glosses and then 2 kind of like matte lip colors. You can use those as lipsticks or lip liners. I have tried these in the past and I really enjoy them. What's interesting about this kit is the scent is different than their normal lip glosses. It has a Bellini scent, which is amazing. I've said this before, but I've been in love with all things peach scented this year, and these are perfect. I don't know if they changed the scent for their permanent products, but I love that these do have a little bit of a different scent. So this kit is a great deal in terms of value. It's $39, but it's $86 in terms of value because you get 8 different products. And again, these minis will last you forever. I included one in my project pan one year. It took me forever to use up. I will swatch all of the colors for you so you can decide whether or not they are something you want to add to your collection. But if you are looking to purchase a lip gloss set for yourself or maybe split it up and use them as stocking stuffers, this is a great idea. There are quite a few mascara sets available this year, and I feel like a lot of makeup products might not be considered essential for a lot of people, but I feel like mascara is something that a lot of people tend to wear most days. So whether you're looking to try a new mascara or you want to stock up on your favorites, you can probably get a pretty good discount from a lot of brands. The one that I wanted to mention from the drugstore is from Essence. I love Essence mascaras, and they have a lot of different options, but their Lash Princess line is one of my favorites. So you can actually purchase this kit on the Essence website or on Ulta's website. So for $14.99, you get 4 full-sized Lash Princess mascaras. So this kit comes with the False Lash Effect mascara, which makes your lashes really long and very dramatic, and then it also comes with the waterproof version of that. Then they have the Volume mascara, which is really great great at making your lashes look really thick, but it also does lift and curl really well. And then they have the sculpted volume version. So I've tried all of these with the exception of the sculpted volume mascara. So anyway, I purchased this as part of one of my giveaway prizes just because I know a lot of people love these mascaras and haven't had the chance to try out all of the different formulas. So this is a fun option, and again, it's a good gift if you know someone who likes mascara and likes trying out new formulas. So I was excited to see this. I actually purchased this kit earlier on. I think I got it during the Sephora VIB sale, but it is the Urban Decay Bigger Blacker Batter Duo. So this is a really good deal in terms of value because it is $32, but it's actually a $47 value kit. It comes with 2 full-size products, so you get the full-sized Perversion mascara and then also the full-sized Perversion liquid liner, which has been my favorite for a few years. I actually saw this on sale the other day, so I don't know if it's still on sale, but if it is, you can get an even better discount, which is amazing. I did include one of these in my giveaway just because I love this duo so much. I think the Perversion mascara is a nice option if you want dramatic, voluminous lashes, and the Perversion liner is really nice because it stays in place so well. Now, I haven't tested out all of these mascaras, but I did want to share this one with you in case you are a fan of Tarte mascaras. They actually have 2 different sets available, so they have one at Ulta and one at Sephora. They're both $35, but they're $69 in terms of value, and you get 3 different full-sized mascaras. Now, the Sephora version is the one that I purchased. It comes with the Surfer Curl Mascara, which is supposed to be a volumizing mascara, and then also the Lights Camera Lashes, which is a 4-in-1, and then the Big Ego Mascara. The one at Ulta is the exact same price, and it comes with 2 of the same, so you also get the Lights Camera Lashes and the Big Ego, but instead of the Surfer Curl Mascara, you get the Man Eater, which I do like. I've tried that one and I really enjoy it. So if you like Tarte mascaras or you've been wanting to try high-end mascaras, this is a good deal. And what's nice is these are individually packaged, so once you open up the outer packaging, they're all wrapped individually, and then on the back they have a little tag that says to and from. So again, these would be great gifts for other people if you want to split them up, or you can include them as stocking stuffers, but it does break down to be a really good deal in terms of value because you are getting full-size high-end mascaras. I think this next one would be a great gift idea for someone if you know someone who is looking to make some more environmentally friendly choices, or maybe just looking to replace makeup wipes in their collection. This is one of the makeup eraser sets. Now, they do have quite a few of these. I've seen them release different ones at Sephora and Ulta throughout the year, but the one that I recently purchased is the I Heart You 7-Day set. So if you guys haven't tried a makeup eraser, essentially it is a really large cloth. Like, they do have full-sized versions, and you just add water and it removes all of your makeup. Sometimes if I'm wearing like lighter makeup, I'll just do that. If I have on heavier makeup, I might add a little bit of a cleanser, but again, they're a really good alternative to makeup wipes. The reason why I like this kit is because it comes with 7 mini makeup erasers. Now, these are a lot smaller than the original makeup eraser, which is pretty big, but the original makeup eraser is so big that I find that I can use it for a few days and just kind of use different sections of it. But I don't love to do that. I actually like the option of smaller ones better because this is big enough that I can remove all of my makeup. I'll wet it and go in and remove my face makeup, gently go over my eyes, and then if I feel like I have to, I'll add a little bit of a cleanser or a cleansing oil and gently remove any other makeup on my face. And then these are perfect because you can throw them into like a little laundry bag, and then at the end of the week, you can throw the bag right into the washer, and then you have them clean and ready to go for the next week. So this kit is $25, but like I said, on Sephora and Ulta's website, they'll have a couple of different options, and some of them are a little bit larger, some are smaller. I like that they've been doing these kits because I feel like they might fit, you know, different needs depending on how you wash your face or what kind of products you look for. So I personally love the minis. I think they would be a great gift as well. There are a few e.l.f. kits I wanted to share with you guys in today's video. So e.l.f. actually released a ton of kits. They have makeup kits, skincare, brushes. So if you like e.l.f. as a brand, I definitely recommend checking out their website because there are so many that I'm not mentioning in today's video, but I just wanted to narrow it down to a couple that I do recommend. So this first one is the Give Me Some Sugar Lip Balm set. set. This actually comes with 3 of their Ride or Die lip balms. So I do own 2 of these. I do own Mighty Mint and then also Tough Cookie, but this kit actually comes with a 3rd one, which is new. It's called Cheeky Cherry, and it's a little bit more of a red tone. This kit retails for $10, but it is a $15 value, so it's kind of like you're buying 2, getting 1 free. I love these lip balms, and even if you have someone in your life who doesn't wear a ton of makeup, I feel like most people do appreciate a really good lip balm. And what I like about this is the fact that it has a clear but also 2 different tinted options. I was actually wearing Tough Cookie earlier today before I sat down to film today's video, and I like that they do give your lips a wash of color. So even if you're skipping other makeup, sometimes it's nice to have something, and a tinted lip balm is always a great practical option. So I think that this would make a great gift. I did include this in the upcoming giveaway, so whoever wins will receive this. This year, I actually tried out the e.l.f. liquid glitters for the first time, and I just fell in love with them. I think the formula is so beautiful, and it's so glittery and eye-catching, but they're pretty affordable. So they have a lot of different colors. They actually have a vault that has, I think, every single one of the glitters, and then maybe a bonus holiday one. So if you really like the liquid glitters, that might be a good option for you. If you're just looking to try them out, this might be a more practical alternative. So this one comes with 3 of the liquid glitters and then also a black liner. This comes with Flirty Birdie and Purple Rain, which I do own, but I think that these liquid glitters are so pretty on the eyes, so this might be a great option as well. Like I said, they do have a couple of brush sets depending on what you're looking for. So they have some that come with 4 brushes, some that come with even more. I love e.l.f. brushes because they are cruelty-free, they're vegan, but they perform extremely well. So this kit in particular comes with 4 brushes, and I really like these. So this one is the buffing foundation brush, which you can use to buff foundation into the skin, but I also like using it as a blush brush. Then you do get the powder brush, which you can use for powder. That's typically what I'll use it for, like pressed powder just to buff into the skin. I love this brush so much. This one is the Fluffy Eye Blender. I do have a couple of these from different kits, so you can use this in the crease, but I also like using it as a highlight brush. And then this one is the Eyebrow Duo. These are so incredibly soft. They're just super cute, honestly, and they perform really, really well. I know that e.l.f. has quite a few brushes, but over the years, they've definitely improved them, and this set is honestly a steal for $10. I think I talked about this set in a purchaser pass. I was so tempted to buy it for myself, but I do already own 2 of the products, so I felt like it wouldn't make sense for me to buy it for me. So instead, this is one that I'm including in the giveaway as well, but this is the Smashbox primer set. So it comes with 3 travel sizes of some of their best primers. You get the Smashbox Primerizer, which I love. That one is incredibly moisturizing. You also get the original Photo Finish Primer, which is more of a smoothing, pore-filling primer. And then you also get the Vitamin Glow Primer. I've really been curious about that one because I've heard good things about it. It's just supposed to give your skin a little bit more of a bright, smooth appearance. I like this set in particular because the packaging is just nice. It comes in this reusable box, so if you are gifting it to someone, they can keep the box and either store the products or other products inside. And these are travel sizes, but you do get a good amount of product in them, so they're going to last a really long time. It is a $25 kit, but it is $45 in terms of value. So if you know someone who really likes to focus on the base and they're looking to try some new primers, this might be a great option. Or if you've been wanting to try these primers out yourself, you can try all 3 of them for less than the price of one. Another set that I purchased for my giveaway is something that I have purchased in the past. So Becca usually comes out with these sets of their highlighters, and they include a couple of different mini highlighters in either best-selling shades. Sometimes they include a new shade. This one in particular comes with Champagne Pop, Rose Quartz, and Vanilla Quartz. The reason why I like this kit is because Becca's highlighters last forever. It's still one of my favorite highlighter formulas. I just recently hit pan on Champagne Pop, and I've had it for years. So this is a nice way to try the formula and get a good amount of product, but have different shades. So for $35, that's less than the cost of one full-size highlighter. You actually get 3 minis. I do have Champagne Pop and I also have Rose Quartz, so I'll swatch those 2 for you. Again, I don't want to swatch this one because I am including it in the giveaway, and I just feel like I didn't need to buy it for myself just because I do own 2 of these. But if you like Becca highlighters or you've been wanting to try the formula, this might be a more practical option because you do get 3 shades for less than the price of one. The last one I wanted to mention is something that I just got in the mail. So I haven't actually tested it out, so it might not be for everyone, but I wanted to include it in today's video because I was so excited when I saw it on Ulta's website. I recently tried the IT Cosmetics Confidence in an Eye Cream, and I just fell in love with the formula. And I've been wanting to try additional products from the line, but they are a little bit more expensive, and sometimes I'm hesitant to buy a full-size skincare product if I haven't tried it. I always like trying, minis or travel sizes or samples. So this kit is the Your On-the-Go Confidence Travel Size Skincare Routine. It retails for $30, and you actually get 3 minis. So it does come wrapped in tissue paper, which just kind of adds, for the presentation if you're giving it as a gift. And then it comes with a couple of products. You do get a mini of the Confidence in an Eye Cream, which I really, really love. And then you get a mini version of the Confidence in a Cream, which is their Transforming Moisturizing Super Cream, which I'm really excited to try because I've gotten a lot of recommendations to pick this up. And then you also get a good amount of the Confidence in a Cleanser. It says that it is gentle for all skin types. It's supposed to be really hydrating. And I feel like this is a good amount. You'll definitely be able to decide whether or not you want to purchase the full-size version after using this up. And then you also get a sample of the Confidence in a Gel Lotion. I really like gel moisturizers, typically during the spring and the summertime, so this will be perfect so I can try it out and see if I enjoy it. So I just wanted to include this kit. I obviously haven't tried all of the products, but it is a skincare line that I've really been curious about, especially after trying the eye cream and just loving it. Okay guys, so those are all of the holiday kits I wanted to share with you in today's video. I know that there are so many options out there, and sometimes it can feel very overwhelming if you're trying to decide which ones to try, which ones to avoid. So hopefully today's video was helpful if you're trying to narrow it down, whether you're shopping for yourself or for someone else. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I'm so excited about the giveaway. Again, if you are interested, just check the description box below. But I'll see you guys very soon with a new video. Bye.